This week I'm coming to you from Kansas City, and I want to talk about a tough subject. How do you fire someone? I mean, how do you hold them accountable? But if they don't do the job, how do you fire them and feel okay about it? I used to really be challenged with it too. It was a struggle for me. Now I got to tell you, it's pretty easy. I know that sounds terrible, right? But here's the secret I figured out. When somebody isn't performing on your team, the very first person you need to look at is you. That's right. You need to take a long look in the mirror and you need to ask yourself two very important questions. Number one is, have I been clear on my expectations? Chances are you haven't. I mean, crystal clear. Have you made it ridiculously simple and easy to understand what people are expected to do? 67% of disciplinary issues happen because people don't understand what is expected of them. The second question you need to ask yourself is, have I given them the support and have I held them accountable? Have I made sure they have the skills, training, anything that they need to be successful? When you have done those two things and somebody doesn't perform, that's not your fault. It's their fault. See, as good a leader as you are, and I know you're a good leader, you can't make somebody perform. You create the culture, you create the atmosphere, you create the environment, and there's a lot of intricacies to that we're going to discuss right here. But the two I want to focus on today are ask yourself these two very important questions. Number one, have I made my expectations clear? Could there be any question in their mind what they're expected to do? And the second is, have I given them the support and the accountability? If you have, you've done your job. Let them go. Find somebody who wants to be on your team and will help you turn all of this uncertainty into your greatest competitive advantage.